family, we are in Sodebarke, and we are at the top of the church tower. And here, if you look around, we actually have a wonderful panoramic view of the lake. Julie, you learned all about the history of the lake while I was doing family history. Will you give a quick word of what the lake means and the name?
So the church is built on a spit of the lake, as you can see. That's the outcropping. And in the 1100s, people would come here by boat to worship. And over time, they built this church on this spit. And so this church area has been established since 1100s. The church itself was built in the 1600s, 1600s. This is looking out over the lake, which is bark, which means bark of a tree. And Susan, our new friend, is with us. This is the top of the church roof. This church that we're in right now in this area is where Anna Carolina was born. And I'm going to show you this. And if you look this way, all the way down, we probably can't see the actual land, but over the land down that way is the land that her grandfather owned and then her father owned, where she was born and lived until she was 12 or 13 years old.
How do you say Falby?
Falby.
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 No, Falby.
Yin is where...
Did I say it right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Falby is where the land of our family is, and we're going to go back there and reclaim it today.
But this church steeple itself was built, and a lot of renovations were done around 1791 and also redone in 1813. So that would have been the same time period with the copper and the metal that Anderson, our great-great-grandfather, was here. So he would have been here to see the witness this building, and he could have even possibly been contributing some of the metal from his farm, the smelting, to help for the construction of this tower.
So here's the translation of that right here in Swedish. None of our family names are on there, but that's the story that's told. So is it 1791 was when this tower was built, correct? And so he would have possibly at least known that that was happening. And then what's this one, 1813?
That was when it was painted.
Renovated.
That's right, 1813.
The coppersmith.
By the coppersmith.
Oh.
Okay. And Susan, I want you to say hi to our family.
Okay.
This is
my name
Susan.
is Susan. I have relatives in Chicago, so I might go to Utah as well.
Yes, we welcome you. And your relatives are from
Sodebarke. Yes, my grandmother, she was born here in 1922. And I recently moved back here, and I found home.
As did we.
We love
That's
it here.
interesting.
It's possible that we're cousins. We're hoping.
So,
Yeah, we didn't get that far on the family line, but
we will check it out.
we have connections, so we'll keep in contact.
Or my grandmother worked for yours.
Yes,
It's possible grandmother worked for our family.
Yes, of course.
But this is amazing. I'm gonna keep this rolling because I'm gonna go down the stairs and show you the bell towers, the bells. The priest was kind enough to let us let in here and see the tower, and we just kept going up. If you'll look at that building right down there, the Swedish flag is
maintain
waving proudly. So we believe, since this has been our experience, that all Swedish weather looks like this, but they say it's not the case.